Elliot, hurry up. The others are waiting. Yeah, I'll be there in a moment. Gosh, should I really say it? I can't, bro. I'm not ready. I'll just ask him something else. So, 007 and 7. Are you ready for this round? Not quite. Don't worry, we'll be fine. You promise? Yeah, promise. Alright, I'll be with the others soon. Go on, they're waiting. He's just so freaking cute, bro. I just get it. Elliot! Hey, in 7? Yes, do you have any ibuprofen? My head hurts. Hey, calm down, buddy. You're bleeding a lot. Bleeding? Poor guy. He must have hit the wall real hard. Hey, in 7. Yeah, Elliot? I love you. Wait, what? He's completely lost his mind, hasn't he? Okay, we'll end the round here and now. Why? Well, you're injured really badly, and you could have some rest right now. Meh. Last round was crazy. I know, right? You kind of broke our promise, though. Well, hey, look, I'm still alive, and I'm fine. By the way, is your arm okay? Is he holding my hand? Yeah, I am fine. Don't worry about me. But are you sure though? It seems like it hurts a lot. 0077. I said it was fine. Well, I just want to say thanks for saving me. Yeah, you're welcome. Why does he look so